Welcome guys, today I will show you how to boot safe mode on Motorola Edge 70. At the very beginning, let's get access to the power menu. Simply press at the same time power key with volume up key. Alright, now hold down power off or restart option. In the appeared reboot to safe mode pop-up, click OK. Then we should wait for a while. Alright, our device active now, so you can see safe mode icon here. This mode will help you if some additional apps broke your system, they will inactive in this mode. To disable this mode, simply open the power menu and restart the device. Safe mode will be turned off after restart. Thank you for watching, subscribe our channel, like this video, comment below, and see you in the next videos.